When it comes down to detoxifying our bodies, few organs are as vital as our kidneys. Located beneath the rib cage in the lower back, the kidneys help remove waste products and excess water, filtering around 200 quarts of blood daily. Not only that, but they also release three essential hormones: erythropoietin, renin, and calcitriol. Erythropoietin jumpstarts the production of red blood cells in the bone marrow. Renin regulates blood pressure. And calcitriol, an active form of vitamin D, helps maintain calcium levels in bones and chemical balance in the body. With so much riding on their performance, it's vital to support our kidneys' health to ensure they function optimally. While our kidneys are resilient when they are hydrated and eat right, factors like poor diet, toxin exposure, and chronic stress can throw them off balance. So, what's the secret to kidney repair? We've handpicked a selection of herbal teas renowned for their ability to give our kidneys a helping hand. In addition to introducing these teas, we'll delve into how they work their magic and share some tips on brewing them to extract maximum benefits. But before that, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more exciting health content. Now let's begin. Number 5. Green tea. Green tea, derived from the Camellia sinensis plant, is known as a real tea. While all types of tea, including green, black, white, and oolong, originate from this same plant, the main difference lies in how the leaves are processed. Green tea undergoes minimal oxidation, retaining an abundance of health-promoting antioxidants. One of the notable antioxidants found in green tea is catechins, which play a role in reducing inflammation in the body and benefiting kidney health. Additionally, studies have shown that green tea consumption can lower the risk of kidney stones. A specific catechin in green tea, EGCG, epogallocatechin 3-gallate, appears especially beneficial for kidney repair by slowing the progression of chronic kidney disease. Research, including a 2017 study, has demonstrated that polyphenols in green tea can help mitigate kidney damage. Polyphenols, a group of plant micronutrients, are abundant in green tea and contribute to its health benefits. To brew the perfect cup of green tea, use water at a temperature between 170 and 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Steep for 2 to 4 minutes and consider adding a cinnamon stick and a splash of lemon juice for added flavor. It's best to enjoy green tea unsweetened and in moderation, especially for kidney repair. 4. Goldenrod tea. Goldenrod isn't just a pretty yellow wildflower. It's also used in herbal supplements and teas. Its Latin name, solidago, means to make whole or heal, showing its use in traditional herbal medicine. Native Americans use goldenrod internally and topically. Some made a flower and leaf infusion for fevers and chest pains, while others used leaves as a poultice for rheumatism, a condition causing pain and stiffness in muscles, joints, and connective tissue. It was even dubbed wonderwort because of its powerful wound healing properties. The slightly sweet and floral tasting goldenrod tea has emerged as a popular caffeine-free alternative to black or green tea. Now, why is it effective for kidney repair? Goldenrod has diuretic properties, helping release excess water from the body by increasing urine flow. This keeps kidneys healthy and prevents kidney stones. In a study, 96% of people with chronic overactive bladder saw improvement with dry goldenrod extract. Goldenrod supports kidney and urinary tract health by removing harmful organisms. It's like a body guardian. Test tube studies suggest it not only helps with overactive bladder, but eases urinary tract spasms. PubMed talks about its complex effects, like anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, diuretic, antispasmodic, and analgesic effects, which are good for infections and inflammations, preventing kidney stones and dealing with urinary gravel. Now, you can make goldenrod tea at home. Just boil 2 cups of water, add 1 tablespoon of dried goldenrod leaves and flowers, let it simmer for 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. Add honey or lemon if you like. However, it's essential to exercise caution. While goldenrod tea is safe for most, it might interact with some medications. So talk to your doctor before sipping if you're on diuretics or blood thinners. Safety first. Number 3, marshmallow tea. You know those fluffy marshmallows we love to roast over campfires? Well, did you know that they originally came from marshmallow root, an herb? But nowadays, they're a bit different, not made with marshmallow root at all. Recent studies found that marshmallow has impressive anti inflammatory powers. In rabbits, marshmallow worked even better than a common medicine called dexamethasone for reducing inflammation. This is important for people with kidney problems who often have to take corticosteroids. These are medicines often used by kidney patients for various kidney related conditions. They help control inflammation and have been a common part of treatment. Adding marshmallow root to their treatment could mean they need less medicine, have fewer side effects, and have faster relief. When scientists tested marshmallow root on animals, they found it could reduce quick and long lasting swelling by a lot, like 41 to 78% for quick swelling and 52 to 68% for the long lasting kind. That's pretty impressive. This is because marshmallow root has some unique compounds called flavonoids that help reduce swelling and stabilize the body. If you have diabetes and kidney problems, marshmallow root might help you. It can help control your blood sugar levels and protect your kidneys from getting hurt by unstable blood sugar. Now let's talk about kidney stones. Marshmallow root seems to be like a secret weapon against those hard stones. It stops them from forming and helps get rid of them. It does this by reducing deposits in the kidneys and levels in the urine. It has special powers like being a diuretic and anti-inflammatory. If you want to try it out, making marshmallow tea is super easy. Just pour hot water over dried marshmallow root or leaf, wait a bit, and then drink. You can even add something sweet if you like. 2. Dandelion tea. Sometimes called dandelion coffee when roasted, is a delightful treat sourced from a diverse family of flowering plants. Its underground taproot adds a unique earthy flavor to the brew, and while often dismissed as a garden nuisance, turning it into a tea unlocks its potential for kidney repair. Dandelion leaf and root are standout ingredients for kidney health. The leaf acts as a natural diuretic, similar to the drug furosemide, without the potassium loss typical of other diuretics. Dandelion's kidney-boosting power lies in its ability to stimulate kidney function, aiding fluid flushing and reducing retention. Unlike conventional diuretics, dandelions contain potassium, which can bolster healthy kidneys, although those suffering from certain kidney problems, such as CKD, may want to consult their physician first. A 2009 study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine showcased dandelion's diuretic effect, increasing urination for up to 5 hours post-consumption. Dandelion root tea eases bladder and kidney pressure, while its antioxidants help prevent kidney stone formation. If your garden is overrun with dandelions, making your tea is simple. Wash flowers and leaves thoroughly, then soak in hot water for 15 to 20 minutes. For roots, wash, chop finely, and roast in the oven for 2 hours. Soak 1 to 2 tablespoons in hot water for 10 minutes, and enjoy the wholesome benefits of homemade dandelion tea. Number 1. Nettle tea. You've heard of nettle tea, right? It comes from those prickly nettle plants, but don't worry. The stings are taken out before making the tea. What you're left with is a minty flavored drink that's pretty tasty. Nettle tea isn't just tasty, it's a real health booster, especially for your kidneys. You see, one of its benefits comes from being a diuretic. Now, a diuretic might sound fancy, but all it means is that it helps your body make more urine. And that's awesome because it means your kidneys get a helping hand in doing their job well. Some studies even suggest a link between nettle tea consumption and reduced symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BHP, a condition that can harm your bladder or kidneys. There was this study with 100 people, and the ones who drank nettle tea had smaller prostates and felt better. Nettle leaves have many healthy compounds like flavonoids, vitamins, and minerals. They also contain things like tannins, fatty acids, and proteins. Nettle tea, made from these leaves, contains antioxidants such as carotenoids, terpenoids, and polyphenols. These antioxidants can be helpful for kidney health, possibly preventing problems and keeping things in good shape. Moreover, nettle tea shows promise in preventing the need for dialysis by enhancing blood purification. It aids in removing creatinine and uric acid, dissolving gallstones, improving urination, and controlling kidney infection and inflammation. Now, making nettle tea is pretty simple. You can use tea bags or fresh dried leaves. If you're harvesting fresh leaves, wear gloves to avoid those stingy hairs. Only pick the top two layers of leaves so the plant keeps growing. Then, brew those leaves in boiling water for a few minutes, depending on how strong you like it. If you're using dried leaves, follow the instructions on the package. And if you find the taste a bit too earthy, you can always add some honey or sugar to sweeten it up. While these cups of tea can give your kidneys a boost, remember, they're not a magic potion. Your overall health depends on more than just what you sip. It's like a puzzle where every piece counts. So while you cozy up with your tea, keep the healthy habits rolling. Say no to smoking, get moving, and fill your plate with nutritious goodies. And if you're all about unlocking the secrets to a healthy life, why not hit subscribe, smash that like button, and ring the notification bell? Our next video might blow your mind with awesome tips. Stay tuned for more health hacks coming your way.